stingy nettle breakfast. Oh yeah. Good little guy. Add that in with a little broccoli, little mushrooms, a little olive oil, and then once that cooks down, then we add a little chicken on top. Yummy. Okay, we waited about 2 minutes, so let's go ahead and mix this up a little bit, and then we're going to put some chicken right on top of that. Smells nice. Okay, so we have a little chicken here, and I add a little bit of hollandaise sauce on that to give a little bit of extra flavor. Let's go ahead and mix that in. Oh yeah, looking good. Sorry if you are a vegetarian. Oh, this is so good. Okay, get away, throw that back in. All right, and we give this about 2 more minutes. Our 2 minutes have passed and the chicken is looking pretty good. Let's go ahead and mix that up again. Oh yeah, well, it smells good too. Nice. So this is a broccoli and chicken and stingy nettle and mushrooms. Okay, now that we've got it nice and spread out, let's go ahead and add a little bit of feta cheese. So that'll give it a nice flavor. Add that on there. Okay, so that is our cooking time completed. So we're going to put the top back on and then turn the burner off and let it sit for about 2 minutes, just to kind of melt that feta in, and then we'll have a nice breakfast. And voila, breakfast is ready. Enjoy.